Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have here a homely 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom solution with a loving owner who is looking to sell to a new owner that will love the property. The land area of this house is approximately 4,500 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 17 million or US $110.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.